All the detail you guys put into this bus, and I mean, it's very, very authentic. You brought this bus back to life. Those fish are huge. This is not a fish tank. This is a straight up aquarium.
You went fish shopping with us, and you know that we got you fish from the Gulf of Mexico. You have a queen angel right here. That fish is gonna run the tank. And in the driver's seat, you got a porcupine puffer. You have a French angel right there. French angels, they actually start off with yellow stripes. And then that's an adult color right now, but you can still see he still has some of his yellow stripes from being a juvenile.